So in all of them you have to apply the Fleming's left hand rule. We'll discuss them one by one. Right? You cross check your answers along with this. So in first problem, the direction of magnetic field is from north to south. The direction of motion of the charge is towards right. So the direction of magnetic field is downwards. The direction of velocity of the charge is right side. So it will experience a force in inward direction into the plane of the paper. So what will be the direction of the force here? The direction of force will be into the plane. Second question says the charge is moving in right hand side and the direction of magnetic field is upward as shown by the arrow. Again we will apply direction of magnetic field upward hai. This is the direction of magnetic field and charge kahan move kar raha hai? Right side. Magnetic field and velocity of the charge. The force experience will be towards the reader. So what will be the force? Towards the reader. अगर ये चार्ज ऐसे मूव करे तो it will turn towards the reader. Force के वजह से. So what will be the force? Outwards. पहले वाले केस में क्या हुआ था? अगर चार्ज पार्टिकल ऐसे मूव करे तो it will turn towards into the plane of the paper, right? Coming to the third one, force is downward. Velocity of the charge is left hand side. Force is downward. अभी force को हम क्या कर देंगे? Downward. Right? Downward किया force को. Velocity is in left side. Velocity is in left side. Force is in downward. So magnetic field is into the plane of the paper. So what will be the direction of magnetic field? Into the plane of the paper. So we will draw a cross and this is the direction of magnetic field. Right? The fourth one. Velocity of the charge upward, force experience is in right. Velocity of the charge upward, force experience. ये देखो velocity of the charge upward, force experience thumb towards right. Velocity of charge upward, force experience on right side. So what is the direction of magnetic field? Towards the reader. So how do we draw it here? We draw a dot that tells us the magnetic field towards the reader. Coming to the fifth one. A charged particle was moving like this and it took a turn. We have to find the magnetic field. So the movement of the charge is right hand side and it is experiencing a force in downward direction. तो इसको हम downward कर देंगे. This is the velocity and this is the force in downward direction. So what is the direction of the magnetic field? Towards the reader. So what kind of magnetic field we will show? We will show this magnetic field. Magnetic field into the outward. Magnetic field is outward towards the reader. The last one, the direction of magnetic field is upward, shown by the arrow. Force is downward. Direction of magnetic field is upward and force is downward. We have to find the velocity. Magnetic field is upward and force is downward. Upward and something is wrong here. Upward and this is downward. So I have to change this. Say force is this side. The last one. Magnetic field is upward and force is this side. This is the magnetic field. Force on right hand side. So where the charged particle will move, it will move into the plane of the paper. Into plane of paper. So that is how you can solve all these questions based on Fleming's left hand rule. I hope all are clear. Any doubts you may ask, children? 6 is into the plane of the paper or inverse. So you may get any questions asking the direction of magnetic field, direction of force or direction of the charged particle. They may ask you in this manner or they may ask you like this. Say suppose there is a charge moving like this and it turn upward. Find the direction of the magnetic field. a charged particle was moving in this direction and it turned upward. So in what magnetic field it has entered such that it experiences a force in upward direction. So again we will apply left hand rule. So this was the motion of the charged particle. ऐसे charged particle move कर रहा था और ऊपर की तरफ मुड़ गया. Force is this. So what is the direction of magnetic field? The direction of magnetic field is into the plane of the paper. So this magnetic field we will draw into the plane of the paper. So that is how we decide the direction of the force, direction of magnetic field and direction of the movement of the particle.